Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your nighttime skincare routine. The Isle of Paradise Night Glow Self-Tan Face Mist. If you're looking for that perfect gradual glow without the harmful UV rays, stay tuned because this might just be the product for you. Let's start with why this mist stands out among the rest. Known for its infusion of jasmine, argan oil, and hyaluronic acid, this vegan and cruelty-free formula isn't just about the glow, it's about nourishing your skin while you sleep. It's paraben-free and suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile addition to your beauty arsenal. The benefits extend beyond the tan. Imagine waking up with skin that's not only bronzed but also deeply hydrated and soothed. The natural oils promote relaxation, helping you unwind after a long day. It's like a spa treatment in a bottle, right at your bedside. Now, let's talk application. Shake well to activate the mist, then close your eyes and spritz 2 to 3 times onto your face as the final step of your nightly skincare routine. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, so you won't feel any heaviness on your skin. What are customers saying? Well, the reviews speak for themselves. With over 171 ratings and counting, this mist has garnered praise for its effectiveness and ease of use. Many users report waking up with a natural, streak-free glow that builds gradually with each use. Now, what sets this apart from other self-tanning products? Unlike traditional tanning methods, this mist doesn't require sun exposure and doesn't leave you with that telltale self-tanner smell. Plus, it's designed for the face, ensuring a seamless application without clogging pores. So, is the Isle of Paradise Night Glow Self-Tan Face Mist worth the hype? Absolutely. Whether you're a seasoned self-tanner or a newbie looking to enhance your skincare routine, this product offers a safe, effective, and luxurious solution. That wraps up today's review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest beauty innovations. Until next time, stay glowing.